This is a tropical pepper plant, and it's a climbing plant. And it looks like this tree is a pepper plant, but actually, because it's a climbing plant, it is actually, this is just a tree, and then the pepper plants are growing on the tree. So climbing plants basically means a plant growing on another plant. And pepper plants produce little stems. They produce little stems like these, and then fruit grow on them, and then the fruits become bigger until they become berries, and then those berries turn red, and then the berries are harvested, and then they are dried out into this stuff called peppercorn. It is basically just the berries are dried up, and then the dried peppercorn is grounded into a powder called pepper, and then that's where pepper comes from. And then, if you look at this leaf, it has some kind of curved line pattern. Those lines are called the vein, and all plants have veins in their leaves. This tea plant also has it, and there are lots of ants living here. There's one. Zoom in. I never did this with a fire ant. If you want to do the same thing, be very, very careful, because you don't want to get stung, because their stings are like the most painful things ever. Bye bye.